How to check if someone is stalking you on Instagram. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, simply open Instagram. For this, you will need to have your ID professional. After that, simply click on New, which is the highlight, and below Edit Profile and Share Profile. Do this only after you have changed your account to professional. Simply add new one. You need to add new story as well to add highlight. After that, you'll find story inside at the bottom, which is viewers of this story, and then you'll find their account in here. This is how to check if someone is stalking you on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophie signing off until next time.